In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to make $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made $12,295 in commission just in 22 days in the month of September, this month, from the first day of September until the day 22, okay? This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, and just last month I made 17,000 $325 in commission with affiliate marketing using free traffic, and it's paid. This is my invoice. I received this money in my PayPal account, and in today's video I want to share with you guys, for beginners, for people who want just to start, how you guys can make your first $1,000 per week with with affiliate marketing using free traffic. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? I will share with you my methods, my strategies, my tools, everything you need to start making your commissions using free traffic. So step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, go to Google, search for this website, for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. Click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever as a beginner. It's very easy, very simple, and profitable. So what you will do, just click on join now, and that's it. You will be directly in this sign up process page. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple too. It's super easy. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password again, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have any website, you can choose no. We don't need any website, so I'm gonna choose no. Choose your country and choose your language, and that's it. Put your Skype account here if you have Skype account. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? What you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote as an affiliate marketer using free traffic, okay? So step number two, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Let me show you. Go back to this home page on Fiverr, click on the search for this service, search for Simpson portrait, okay? Search for this one, Simpson portrait. This is one of my profitable affiliate services that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr that made me a lot of commissions, and I will show you guys people who will be interested to buy this service from you, and also how you can use free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. So search for Simpson portrait, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check if those sellers has good reviews, good feedback, then those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, okay? So I will choose one, for example, let me check this one. This one looks good. This one looking good. Also this one is really looking good. This one is level 1 seller, which is really good. So I will choose this one. This one is level 1 seller. I will click on his service. Just click on the service that of the seller that you want to use, okay? And that's it. you will be directly in this page like this. You guys can see. What you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here, default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link to people who will be interested to buy this service from you. How you can find people who will be interested to buy like this service from your affiliate link? What you will do next, step number 3, go back to your Facebook account. You guys all have Facebook account. Open your Facebook account like this, click on the search for Simpson like this. Okay, search for Simpson. You have here filters, scroll down, click on groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about Simpson that you need to use to promote your affiliate link. And those people love this Simpson cartoon movie. Maybe it's movie, I don't know. It's anyway. People, because I already promoted this service and they made a lot of commissions when I started using this method. Just by using this service, I made a lot of commissions. Okay, you will find a lot of groups here. Those groups are public groups. Maybe you can find some private groups. You need to click on join, but public groups, you don't need even to click on join. You guys can use those groups like this. So I will click on this group, for example, like this. Just click on the group that you want to use. You will be directly in this group. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are interested in this Simpson cartoon. So those people love this Simpson cartoon. They will be interested to buy this service from you, this Simpson cartoon portrait. They will love to turn their pictures into Simpson cartoon. And of course, not all those people will be interested, but we have a lot of people in the other side that will be interested. So why not? So let me show you what you will do. Let's scroll down so we can see, for example, like this one. This one will be interested. He posted this picture about Simpson cartoon. If we scroll down more, we have also this one. That's it. You see this one. All those people are your customers. I will click on his name. For example, I will choose this person. I will click on message. So I will send a professional and friendly message to this person with my affiliate link. So how you can create professional and friendly message? Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. This AI will help you to create a professional and friendly message that you guys can send to people on Facebook groups. I asked him create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy Simpson cartoon portrait service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. This is the message. I will copy this message like this. You will get a professional and friendly message. I will go back to Facebook. I will put this message here. I need to put my affiliate link here in this part here. You guys can see. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Facebook. So first, this affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. You guys can use Bitly if you want. You just need to click on create new, and it's for free. You need to put your affiliate link here, click on create, and your affiliate link will be short link like this. Okay, you just need to click on copy and go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here, and that's it. And click on send, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link about this service, about Simpson portrait. You guys also use this. You should use this. What you will do, click on this picture and send this picture as an example of what those people will get. Okay, so they can see this picture. This is the picture, and it's turned into Simpson portrait using the service like this. Okay, You can upload this picture. You have a lot of pictures here, so use just this one, like this one, the first one. Double click, click on save image, and save this picture to your laptop like this. Click on save, and that's it. And send this picture to those people, so they can really see what they will get. They can trust you. Click here, and let me see, can find, let's go to download, so you can find the picture. This is the picture. It will help, okay? It will really help. It will be helpful, okay? Like this, send this picture like this, okay? And that's it. You see, that's how you can make your first commissions using affiliate marketing with free traffic from Facebook groups. You have a lot of people here who will be interested to buy those Simpson cartoon service from you. Here is another person. I can click on message, and you can see how many people here. You guys can see how many members in this group, and you can see how many groups you have on Facebook. You have millions of people here who will be interested to buy those services from you. You just need to convince those people to present and to promote your service good. You need to know, really, you need to have a skill in marketing, how to convince people, how to convince customers to buy services or products from you. If you have this skill, you can make a lot of money with this business model. It's very clear. It's not easy, of course. You guys need to learn. If you are a beginner, you guys just try, give it a try. Start with this, start focusing on this service, start using. Also, guys, okay, don't send the same message to a lot of people. Use for example, if you create a message, don't send the same message. Don't just just copy and use copy and paste. It's gonna not work. Facebook will block you, and it will stop you from sending message to those people. So what you will do instead, you send different message, edit your message and send different message to people, send different services, different pictures, so you can keep sending a lot of message per day, and your chance to get commission will be high. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Of course, I want to explain something too. You guys need to know that this commission that I made, it didn't come just from Facebook groups. Of course not. Of course, it's not just sending message to people. I make a lot of commission with this method, but also I'm using YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Quora. So if you are interested, you guys can comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods. For people who are asking me if do I have any affiliate marketing course, yes, I do. I already have an affiliate marketing course. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address, and I'm very happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.